Warm greetings, family. How are you, family? I'm well, guys. Okay, guys, we are back again with another video. We're still doing the Labor Relations Act, still dealing with the Labor Relations Act, which is popularly known as the LRA. So we're doing the chapter 2 of the Labor Relations Act, which is about the freedom of association. So we're going to be doing the legal effects of collective agreements. There are those sectors which are covered by bargaining councils. So they've got what they call the collective agreements. So now we're going to be talking about the legal effect of the collective agreements, right? So we're going to be delving into that today. And thank you very much, guys, for subscribing to the channel. There's quite a substantial growth in terms of the subscribers. Thank you very much, guys, and thank you very much, guys, for viewing the videos in the channel. Please continue doing so, and please do continue sharing the videos, different social